Since the very inception of mobile app software development, two teams were needed, one for iOS and the other for Android. Several development frameworks have appeared to enable development of one codebase, Xamarin, Flutter, etc. These solutions have not been very successful. That's about to change. JetBrains and Google have introduced Kotlin Multiplatform as a way to share a single, common codebase for iOS and Android. When Kotlin Multiplatform is combined with Compose Multiplatform, you can reduce your costs to develop both an Android and iOS mobile app with a single team using a single, common codebase. If you do this right, your common codebase will constitute about 99% of the entire app codebase. Furthermore, the behavior on Android and iOS will be exactly the same. I don't believe it, you might say. Well, in the rest of this video I am going to demonstrate for you a non-trivial mobile app that runs exactly the same on both Android and iOS. The codebase for this app is written almost totally using Compose Multiplatform, and 99% of the code is shared between iOS and Android. Any changes made to the codebase will be reflected immediately in both the Android app and the iOS app. This is not a Hello World demo. This is a demo of a non-trivial mobile app with multiple screens and API calls to several different public endpoints. So, without further ado, let's see the demo. The demo video shows an iOS screen on the left and an Android screen on the right. The app starts on iOS and Android, and the first screen is a listing of SpaceX launches that can be scrolled. The data comes from a public SpaceX API. The next screen is a scrollable list of movies from the IMDb database. There are hundreds of thousands of movies in this database, so you can't load all of them. So the app uses a paging library that loads 20 movies at a time. As you scroll down, the next 20 movies are loaded when you get near the end of the currently loaded list of movies. The next screen is a simple travel app that lists hotels in a region to which you want to travel. First you pick France as the region. Then you pick a region within France, like south of France as an example. When you click on the region you selected, you can see a list of hotels and room prices in the region. The remainder of the video is a demo for donor blood donations. The initial screen allows you to select the name of the blood donor. When you click on the donor's name, the next screen allows you to update data for the donor, but we just click the update button because we don't need to update. The next screen is used to register a blood donation. 3 fields need to be filled in. I simple enter A, B, and C for the 3 fields. After we fill in the 3 fields, we click the confirm button. Then we see the blood donation information, and then we click the complete button. We note that a donation has been added to the donor database, and then we come back to the original screen. At this point, we can open the navigation drawer and click on the View Donor List text button. That brings us to a screen that allows us to list all of the available donors and their blood donations. Stick around for another 30 seconds and see how you can take advantage of this video. Florida Software is a contract mobile app consultant and developer. We can do your mobile app in KMP using our experts and the technology you see here, or we can provide experts in KMP and Compose to help your team develop a KMP app similar to what you see here. Email us at info@flasw.com and let's discuss how to get your development team on KMP.